Peace of Christ to all, and in this video we will go over some of the Muslim miracles. And as you know, I made 4 hours video exposing all those false miracles of the Quran, and actually not all of them, but 4 hours is nothing to cover all the lies of Muslims because it's unlimited. Anyway, it's 4 hours. You can find it in my website. Now in this video in here, the Muslims, I think they are born to be thinker. They're very thinker nation. They think a lot. And the following video is going to show you one of the miracles of Allah. So we will watch it together, and we will show how Muslims lie when they translate the Quran, when they translate the meaning of the word, and when they explain those verses in their book. Watch with me and let us laugh together.
In the Quran, which was revealed 14 centuries ago, at a time when the science of astronomy was still primitive, the expansion of the universe was described like this. And it is we who have constructed the heaven with might, and verily it is we who are steadily expanding it.
In here, as you see, guys, I want you to concentrate with me, and you will see the following. If this word does not mean heaven, it means space, why Muslims are writing it as heaven? Isn't that a good question?
The word heaven, as stated in this verse, is used in various places in the Quran with the meaning of space and universe. Here again, the word is used with this meaning. In other words,
if this verse and this word in here is talking about space and universe, why it is translated as heaven? You see how they try to fool you? If this word is not heaven and it is universe, and you put it there as heaven, it means you are a liar when you translate. And don't tell me you, the one who made the video, you don't approve your translation, because simply if you don't approve it, you will not prove your point to us from there. Heaven is heaven and universe is universe. Don't tell me the Arabic language don't have the word universe. We have it. It's called al-kawn. So why you translate it as heaven? Simply because you are a liar. If it is universe, you should say it's universe. You should say we constructed the universe. But simply because it's not, doesn't say the universe, and the fact doesn't say even heaven. It says the sky. We constructed the sky, not the heaven, not the universe. The word heaven in Arabic is Jannah. Jannah. I think all of you guys, you heard Muslims many times talking to you about Jannah, right? This is the word Jannah. Look at it. This is Jannah. This is heaven. It's all over the Quran. The God of Islam never mentioned the word sky as a word mean heaven. Not in the Quran. The word heaven in Islam is one word. Jannah. Anyone will translate the word sky as heaven is a liar. This is the verse in the front of you. You will see the word sky in here. You see it? Sky. Sky. Not heaven. And you will see the same word. Look with me, guys. You see it? The first word after this number in here. You see it? This one. The same word you will see, if we go and look in different verse, we will see the same word became a sky. Read with me, please. You will see in here as-sama and as-samawat. As-samawat is just more than one, because the God of Islam, he believed there is 7 skies and there is 7 earth. We can make a video about that later. 7 earth, until now we did not find them. 7 skies, he can play around with that. And you will see later, they will translate to you that the word 7 skies mean the atmosphere. The atmosphere have 7 layers. Suddenly the word sama is heaven, suddenly it's a space, suddenly it's universe, and when they want, it's heaven. If you read with me in here in the verse, you will see the God of Islam saying that he is the one who sent down the rain from the sky, which is wrong. Because the rain, and in here is talking about how he made the earth alive, how he created the universe, and where is the sources of the water. He's not talking about just rain, no. He is telling you that the earth was dead. You see it? The earth was dead, and he made that earth alive by the rain which was coming from the sky. And you will see the same word in there. You see it? Minas sama, it's coming in here translated as a sky, because it is a sky. And by the way, it's false, because water of the rain, it's not the sources of the water in the world. The ocean is the sources. The rain is just a circle of how water go and became a steam, and then became a cloud, and then the cloud became a rain, and the rain will go back to the ocean. The water is coming from the ocean, not from the sky. This is the foolishness of the one who made the Quran. But it's not our topic for now. So you see, the word sky, you see, the same word exactly. You know, for them, when they want, they say it's universe. When they want, they say it's mean space. When they want, they say it's heaven. When the Quran never mentioned it this way. Sky is a sky. The Arabic language is very rich. And to prove their lie, let us go and read the explanation. Now this is an Islamic site, ibnkathir.com, and this is a translation in English, and I will show you even how Muslims they change the translation when it's come to Arabic and English. And here, read with me, please. It says, with hands we constructed the heaven. You see, they translate it again as heaven. Verily we able to expand the vastness of space, therefore we are able. This is their own translation. It does not say he is expanding. He is telling them, I can do that. This is Ibn Kathir in front of my eyes. The God of Islam, he is saying, warning how strong he is. He built it with strong hands. Ibn Abbas, he said, and Mujahid, and Qutada, wa Thawri, and many, they explained this verse in the same way. وَإِنَّا لَمُوَسِّعُونَ, and we extend, which mean أي قد وسعنا أرجاءها, which mean we did already extend. He did already. It's not about something he will do in the future. It's in front of you. I challenge any Muslim. I'm not talking about Muslims who they are 90% who don't speak Arabic. I'm talking about the Muslims who they are Arab. I challenge them to say this is not true. It says أي قد وسعنا أرجاءها, which it says that we did extend it already. And actually, guys, if you read with me the translation, which I don't approve, by the way, because all Islamic translation is false. It doesn't matter how honest they are. There is no honest and a Muslim at the same time. You cannot be honest. With power and the skills we constructed the firmament, for it is we who create the vastness of space. He create already. It's not talking about expanding and extending, and this is your translation in the front of your eyes. Even in your translation, which is false for me, It says that he did already. So the God of Islam simply saying, you know what, look how big I made the sky. But because the Muslims, they are a religion who have no miracles, they have to look for one. And the only way to do so is playing with the translation, playing with the meaning of the words. And we just showed you even their own explanation saying what we are saying. Allah, He built the sky so big. And He is showing how big His muscles. You see, look how big I made the sky. But you know what? The one who have no honor, he have to look for one. Jesus is Lord, Islam is false, and follow it.